Morning, afternoon, and night. It's CBS 42 weather around the clock. Brought to you by Southern Home Structural Specialists. Now, the latest forecast from the CBS 42 Storm Team.
I'm 14 meteorologist Michael Haynes. The nice weather will continue as they wrap up the second half of the week and heading into, of course, the 4th of July weekend. For today, plenty of sunshine. Now, still hot, but nothing unusual at all for this time of the year. And after that front that moved through yesterday, our rain chances slim to none as we continue through this week. So this is the forecast now for the rest of this afternoon. The average high for this point now in early July around 90. That's exactly where we'll end up, with only a very slim chance for a brief passing shower, meaning most spots dry. All the way through tomorrow morning, a few clouds here and there. A shower not completely out of the question for Thursday, but again, the chance for any given location to get wet very low. And that trend will continue through the holiday weekend. Of course, the 4th of July, Independence Day Friday. Now, we're in the middle 90s. Hot and steamy for sure, but at least the rain chance is very low. That means all the 4th of July activities will be able to go on as scheduled. Don't have to worry about any type of major storms causing a problem with heavy rain or lightning. And of course, that's good news for us this weekend. But on the other hand, again, the heat will continue, so just make sure you keep yourself hydrated the best you possibly can. And talk about a pattern change. Now, this is the total rainfall expected over the next 7 days, only about a trace. Of course, we do have a couple of storms developing that could produce more rain than what you see on this forecast map, but just on a more widespread basis, on a larger scale, we're not expecting any type of organized rainfall, at least not through the weekend, likely into next week, with the temperatures still very warm, a low to middle 90s. So even though we're running close to average through the middle part of this week, we will go above it by this weekend all the way through the holiday on Saturday and Sunday in the low to middle 90s, and heading into next week, very little change.